Hey everyone! If you've got tons of video files that need organized names, I'm going to show you how to batch rename them quickly on your PC. First, open the folder containing your files. Select all the files you want to rename by clicking the first one, holding Shift, and clicking the last one. Now right-click on the first selected file and choose Rename, type the new base name. For example, Project Onrush Scene, and hit Enter.Windows will automatically rename the rest with numbers in parentheses, like 1, 2, 3. If you want more control, you can use free tools like Bulk Rename Utility or Advanced Renamer. Download and install one of these. Then open it. Load your folder and select the files. You can set rules, like replacing text, adding prefixes or suffixes, or numbering with leading zeros. Preview the new names before applying to avoid mistakes. Once you're happy, hit the Renames button. Batch renaming keeps your files tidy and makes editing much easier. And that's how you quickly batch rename your video project files. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any tech video from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop it in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.